Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use Engagex with LinkedIn to maximize your engagement. Let's get started by heading over to LinkedIn. First, click on Step 3. Go over to LinkedIn in the Engagex dashboard. If the Engagex pop-up isn't showing in the top left of your LinkedIn homepage, just refresh the tab. Once the Engagex pop-up appears, you can easily move it around by holding down on the blue bar and dragging it to your preferred position for convenience. Back in your Engagex dashboard, you'll see important subscription information, like which plan you've chosen, how many days are left until renewal, and how many comments you have left to use. Below the subscription details, you'll notice the option to enable AI Image Reader. Checking this box allows Engagex to analyze images in posts before generating a comment, enhancing the comment's relevance. Now, let's scroll down to a post and click on the comment box. You'll see several Engagex comment tones available, such as Agree, AI Rectify, Expand, Fun, and Perspective. These options allow you to engage with posts in various ways, ensuring that your comments are tailored to the context. In our next video, we'll show you how Engagex can enhance your LinkedIn networking through automated and personalized comments. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Engagex experience.